You gotta like use the whole thing.
How'd that work out?
I think it went good. All right, so we're starting a new adventure, so to speak, in building a off-road trailer with this old truck bed. He's gonna tell you how we're gonna do it.
So as it stands right now, we have truck bed, and then the frame where the cab was, it drops down. It drops down and then goes forward to the hitch. Problem is the hitch on my truck is so high that it drops the back of the trailer down to attach the hitch. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna chop the truck frame in half. We're gonna weld in some 2x6 that we have left over from our last trailer project and try to flatten that all out. And then, maybe places to mount spare tires. The idea is that when we go out, if we start to get into longer expedition type stuff, is that this will be the trailer that carries all the spare parts, spare tires, air compressor. This is kind of the utility trailer that can go out to support whatever it is that we're doing, kind of deal.
What year is this off?
I have no idea. It's at least a 2003.
03. Okay, at least an 03 truck bed.
Yeah, it's from a 1500. It's a long bed, so we've got an 8-foot bed, and then a lumber rack we found on Marketplace, which will need some
In summation, we're gonna make this 03 truck bed sick.
So get ready for the best
Super
series
tight.
of your life.
Super tight.
What? Dude, that's my fire extinguisher.
It's the thing that goes. Oh yeah, shower me in dirt. Yeah. Did you just call me a predator? Why is this guy here, Nash?
I was in the text thread.
I just showed up.
I just showed up. I didn't know what we were doing.
I just saw that you guys were gonna be here.
Why does everything have to benefit me?
Sorry that I appreciate our quality time together.
It's such a female sentence.
Yeah, you just get to lay there with your
So tight. It's the whole hitch bolt. Oh. I can't do this. I'm gonna give up.
Quit right now.
Oh, then. Oh.
Oh!
Can I help you? I'm just gonna have to keep my eye on you two. Why don't you look at him when he kisses you then?
Finally get up to the top, and then we just kiss each other.
The filler neck. The gas cap.
What's a filler neck?
Where the gas goes.
That's called a gas cap, my guy.
No, it's called a filler neck.
Or a
you
gas
idiot.
tank.
The gas cap goes on The filler neck.
Oh, filler neck.
Dude,
filler
I'm so
nut.
sick of
Man, you guys working on the tranny down
I'm
here?
so sick of this guy.
You know what's funny is Matthew is just always like, hey, tell me what to do. And then he's like, you're calling it the wrong name. We really get along well, Carson, except
Yeah.
we're trying to cultivate YouTube drama. So, you know.
Bolt on this thing? You just ask.
And then you said body click.
Yeah. See? You see what I mean, Carson?
Get on the other side of this. Somebody.
Gooseneck.
I don't think I'm gonna lift this. Didn't work.
Where's the good Yeah, you can cut that, Matthew. None of that's important because we'll run something else through there, like in your hose or something. That's scary, bro. It's not going. It's not going. Is that really not moving at all? That's got too much. Okay, watch your fingers, everyone. Especially me.
Shit, that's scary.
Matthew, what is this hooked on still? Oh, here. You two get on the sides real quick, please. Just pick up the bed.
Oh, it's coming out.
That's annoying. Okay. You guys are good. I need We're gonna try to get all four corners. We're gonna try to back this thing off the trailer. I don't like that we have him filming because now you're all goofy.
Yeah.
Because you're on camera more.
Yeah. and I get-
What we're gonna try to do, I'll stand on the back, you two on the front. We're gonna pick this thing up, and then Longo, you roll the trailer out from underneath it. Cool. There's no way that this could go badly.
I'm getting under this thing.
He's so excited.
Move that thing up.
Huh?
Your truck. What if it hits the back of it?
Back's made of metal.
No, it's not gonna. No, it's not gonna work.
Yeah.
Mike sliding that thing
And then
under
when
this.
he moves out, I'm gonna go this way. You guys are gonna go this way, and we're going to.
Lay it this way.
We're gonna. No, we're gonna lay it. Okay, so now with the bed off, you can kind of see what we're talking about a little more here. So this curves down to where the cab of the truck would be. This is where a cab body mount would be. This is where the bed mount would be. So what we're going to do is remove this whole section and replace it so that this is flat all the way across. We get a lot more clearance out of the front. It should tow a lot more level behind Lil D. And I don't even know where your hitch is at. We should probably figure that out. Are you okay?
What?
Are you having a moment?
No, it's in my rear bumper. What do you mean?
Yeah, but like how high?
Just measure about 3.5 inches down from where. No, it's probably about the same height as yours.
Well, we need to
Pretty
redo
close.
your bumper anyway. So.
Yeah, it's pretty close to the same height as yours.
Anyway, moral of the story. More clearance. We're gonna clean up a lot of this crap, stuff like this, bring that out, probably remove the spare tire mount, weld on the base for our bumper. We probably won't finish the bumper until we have the bed on, and then we can start working on the bed. Because we're gonna take the bed off at this seam down, and then go sliders off of that. I don't like idle hands over here.
Huh?
He gets bored.
Um,
He does. funny things.
Yeah.
I
We're gonna
agree.
put springs on this, or are we sticking with leaf springs?
No, we're sticking. Oh, we are gonna pull the helper spring out to try to. We might pull 2 springs out actually. Keep an eye out. We are going to be working on this probably pretty off and on for, I would assume it's going to take us a couple of months to get this whole thing done, but you know.
It's gonna be a pretty extensive trailer build for sure. It's gonna be a big long playlist, but yeah, it'll be a good time trying to figure out how to do this thing the best way.
Yep, just little bits and pieces here and there. Kind of figuring it out as we go, obviously, because that's, you know, we have no idea what we're doing.
That's the only way to do it, you know.
Yeah. So, you know, we could get halfway through this and it could just not work out at all.
Work and break.
This definitely isn't plated, so I don't even know.
Could light on fire. Could be a storm,
Well,
hurricane. A lot of things can happen. So, but thanks for watching.
yeah, don't get your hopes up, too.
Yeah, it was a good time. See
Cool.
you guys next time.
Yep, Adventure Friends go home.
Chill, chill, super chill.
Signing off. Do the thumbs up thing.
And then subscribe it. Hit the bell. Hit the little bell. Is there still a
hit the
bell?
bell. No
Is
one
there
hits
still
the
a bell
bell.
on YouTube?
Oh my
Is there
God,
still a bell?
no.
Click that bell, dude. Just click it like the taco. Think outside
Taco
the bun.
bell. Okay,
Think
I
inside
get
the
it.
bun for this.
No, it's a taco bell.
Yeah.
Cool.
Yeah.
I'm not even in frame, am I? Tight.
Think inside the bun because cheeseburgers are better than tacos.
Please stop recording.